Hi, it's Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach. Today's Thursday, the 28th of March. Been another really good week on the trades. Had a lot better week than we had last week. Remember last week I was saying that things were just very choppy and it was really hard to take good trades, whereas this week we've seen some really good, clear price action, and that's certainly helped with some picking the strengths and weaknesses, and also the trades that I take on the daily and the 4-hourly and the 1-hour charts. In fact, this time yesterday I had an amazing trade on the euro yen. I was taking a short position based on the 4-hour charts, and I had an incredible 8-to-1 risk to reward out of that trade. So that means that my reward, my profit, is 8 times the size of my risk on the trade. So for example, if I was risking, let's say, $100 on that trade, I made an $800 profit. So you can see when you start having risk to rewards like that, and bear in mind they don't happen like that all the time, but when you get really high risk to reward trades like that, it means that if you have a couple losing trades prior, well, you know, that just gets completely wiped out by the benefits of having these hugely successful trades. And that's the beauty of looking for the good risk to reward trades. So that was the euro yen on a 4-hour chart. I also had a US CAD trade at the same time, and a few hours prior I had a short position on the euro franc, also on the 4-hour charts, and all three of them made really good money. So that's you know, a really successful time. It also means that by trading the 4-hour charts, you don't need to be watching the charts all day long, and it means you can plan around your trading and have a life outside of trading. And that leads me on to something else I want to talk about. Here in New Zealand, one of the local banks, they're running an ad, and it's quite a funny ad actually. It's called, the song in the background saying, I want to work till I die. And it keeps going on about how people you know, are working longer and longer. I'm basically saying that if you want to keep, you know, sort of living a reasonable lifestyle or paying a mortgage, you just got to keep working and working till the day you drop dead. And there's a funny sort of line within the song that this person who's singing it is 83 years old, and they're getting instructions from a 20-year-old at work and saying, well, I've got to keep working till I die because I have no other source of income. And it's quite an important message there, because what the ad's actually advertising is a superannuation, or like a pension type of fund, saying, well, hope you've got your pension sorted, because if you haven't, you're going to be working to your 80s and die. Now, that's a good thing to be advertising, because it makes people, of course, aware of, I don't want to be working till I'm 80 and I die. I want to, you know, have a good lifestyle when I'm young and fit and active, as well as when I'm older and retired. But the interesting thing is that the ad's actually advertising the superannuation scheme, which has around about a sort of 3 or 4% annual return. And I'm thinking, well, yeah, the motto and the theme is excellent, but really I want to be making that, like, in a month, 3 or 4% per month, sometimes in a week. You know, yesterday I could have made that in one trade. And so what I'd like to really follow on is to say, well, successful forex trading, it can set you up to enjoy the better things in life. It means that you can leave your job once you're successful over a period of time and trade independently, work from home or work from wherever you want, and still make excellent returns, and also not only live well today but also plan for your retirement. So it's just there, I just wanted to share that with you, how an ad that I've heard, which kind of made me laugh with the whole motto, is really relevant to forex trading and the incredible benefits that forex trading offers. So that's sort of jumping away from the charts slightly. It's Thursday here in New Zealand, so what I would suggest you do is that by the end of Thursday you close all your trades down for the weekend, with the Easter break coming up. I'm personally not even looking at the charts until Wednesday my time, because I want to see a whole full day's price action on Tuesday, because Monday, of course, the markets will be shut or very quiet. So I'm looking for Tuesday's price action to get back into gear again before looking at Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week for any trading opportunities. So just take this time to maybe go back through your trades, look through your trade history, where you've gone wrong, where you've had good trades, and just sort of fine-tune your strategy, your risk to reward, your whole money management, and take the time over the next few days to do that, and also have a great relaxing time over Easter, and look forward to talking to you this time next week.